Did you know that many people dream of turning a small amount of money into a fortune? It's a common aspiration, and for good reason. It's a dream shared by many, and the world of trading offers that exciting possibility. The stock market, with its dynamic nature, can be a gateway to achieving this dream. Imagine turning just $10 into $1,000 or even more. This transformation is not just a fantasy, it's a tangible goal for those who are willing to learn and take calculated risks. While it might sound too good to be true, it's a real possibility in the world of financial trading. Success stories abound, but they are often the result of careful planning and strategic thinking. Trading provides an avenue to grow your wealth, but it's essential to approach it with caution and a solid plan. A well-thought-out strategy can make all the difference. Trading involves risk, and it's crucial to understand that losses are a part of the journey. Every trader faces setbacks, but learning from these experiences is key. However, with the right knowledge, strategies, and a disciplined mindset, you can navigate these risks and unlock the potential for significant returns. Education and practice are your best allies. In this essay, we'll explore the world of pocket option trading, a platform that makes trading accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Pocket Option offers tools to help you succeed. We'll delve into the challenges and rewards of trading, equipping you with the tools and insights to embark on your trading journey. Get ready to discover how small investments can lead to big returns. Effective trading strategies. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster. The excitement of a winning trade can quickly turn into the disappointment of a loss. It's crucial to remember that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and losses are an inevitable part of the process. One of the biggest challenges traders face is managing their emotions. Fear and greed are powerful emotions that can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. When fear takes over, traders may hesitate to enter trades or exit positions prematurely, missing out on potential profits. On the other hand, greed can lead to overconfidence and excessive risk-taking, resulting in significant losses. Successful traders understand the importance of emotional discipline. They stick to their trading plan, manage their risk carefully, and don't let emotions dictate their decisions.